Today I share with you how to make pancake using yeast. My first time trying this recipe, it was everything delicious. This pancake was so delicious to eat, and at the same time it was so fluffy like this. As you can see, my kids cannot even get enough of this pancake. It was everything delicious. So sweetie, let me show you how this is being done. To begin, I'm going to be needing all-purpose flour. Next is to add in is sugar and at the same time salt to taste. Next I'm going to be adding is yeast. Then add in egg. Next is to add in is milk. I make use of 1 cup of milk, the same time 1 cup of water. But to start, I'm going to be adding half cup of milk and then half cup of water. Then first of all, mix that together. So for the milk, guys, it's going to be warm milk. It's not going to be cold. So because you're making use of yeast, so warm milk is good to go. So I add in the last cup of the milk and then I mix again. Now I'm going to be adding the half cup of water. So this completes it one cup. So that is 1 cup of milk and the same time 1 cup of water. I stir together. I will keep on mixing until the batter come together. So sweetie, you need to share this recipe. Like, you need to share. We was eating this pancake. It was sweeting so perfect. Like, it was so nice, so fluffy, the same time so soft, and it's easy to just get done. It doesn't even take time. At this point, this is what I have. The consistency is good to go at this point. So what I do now is to cover the batter for the batter to double its size before we proceed. So before that, I'm going to be cleaning the bowl like this. Just clean everywhere and then use this plate to cover that to rest for 30 minutes. Just 30 minutes later, this is what we are going to be seeing. Look at that. I just bring out the towel and the center and see how gorgeous that look. So now you're going to be adding is oil, just a little bit of cooking oil, and then stir together. This oil is going to enable you to get that fry easily even if you do not add oil in your frying pan. Just adding the oil like this and mix together is going to make the batter to look more fluffy and the center easy for you to get fried. So once I mix everything to combine and it's going to come out perfect like this. See how consistency that look. It was so fluffy. So now it's ready. Over here we have our hot pan in the heat. Then I take 1 spoon of that, add that inside the pan like this. Adding the batter inside the pan, you just need to have your cup spoon. Once you have the cup spoon, just position your hand in one particular place. Then that is going to enable you to have this gorgeous shape. You see how that is pumping. So you are going to allow this to be drying and at the same time it's going to be foaming like this. So once you see that all this foam that is on top of it get dry, that is the time you are going to turn the other side. Look at it now. At this point the foam is dry. So getting this done is going to be low heat, guys. It's not going to take long for that to get fried. See the back and now, oh my gosh, this was so giving. Like, I just love this pancake. It was everything delicious. The texture, the color, the sweetness, everything about this pancake is everything massive. Here we have the previous one that I've already fried. Then I add in this one again on top of it. See how gorgeous that look. So just keep it aside the same way, just 1 cup spoon like that. Add that inside the hot pan and then let this to get fried. It's not even going to take your time. Just like this, you can see that foam coming down. So once you achieve all this foam coming down, then you are going to turn the other side like this. Very easy and massive. See, beautiful now. The skin is skinning, guys. It was so perfect. Even if you want to even squeeze this pancake with your hand, it's not even going to easily tear. Like, it was so fluffy. I just love every bit of this. See how beautiful that look. This is the same way I'm going to fry everything until everything is being fried. Once I get that fried, I keep it back to the other one just like this. See how gorgeous that look. I have so much fun frying this pancake. My first time trying this recipe, and trust me guys, I'm going to be making this often for my children because snacks is one of the easiest food my kids love to eat a lot, and I'm so grateful for always getting this done for them. Here we have the last one, and this time we are done frying everything. See how gorgeous that look. Oh my goodness, this pancake is everything delicious. If you haven't tried this recipe before now, my sister, my brother, what are you waiting for? See now, even when you even fold down, it's not even going to tear on your hand. See the color, everything was so perfect. See when I tearing that into two now, oh my goodness, like it was so massive. Look at inside. Look at inside, so beautiful and gorgeous. All you need to do is to follow this process. Just mix your pancake batter the same way I mix mine. You are going to eat this pancake as if you haven't tasted any other pancake in your life. It's so soft, so fluffy. The same time, it was everything delicious. In my next one, bye.